Tired of spending hours brainstorming content, writing captions and scheduling posts, only to get a few likes and zero sales? What if I told you there's a way to automate all of that and sell it as a digital product? Today, I'm going to show you how to build an AI content creation system that works 24/7 and how to package it into something people will actually pay for. This isn't a course. This isn't a service. This is a system that you build once, sell over and over, and watch as it quietly makes you money on autopilot. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Profit Hacks, the channel where we turn smart tools and simple systems into real income streams. If you're into AI, automation, and digital products that sell themselves, make sure to hit subscribe and tap that bell. Let's dive in. Here's the big idea. Instead of creating content manually or offering social media services, you'll build what I call a content machine agent. It's a fully automated workflow that does three things. First, it generates content ideas based on your niche. Second, it writes ready-to-post captions optimized for engagement. Third, it schedules those posts automatically using a tool like Buffer, Publer, or even notionandmake.com. Now here's where it gets really interesting. You don't need to offer this as a service. You can sell the entire system as a plug-and-play digital product, a ready-made content engine that your buyers can customize to their brand. Let me break it down step by step. Step 1, choose your audience. This is where most people mess up. They try to sell to everyone and end up selling to no one. Your goal isn't to build a universal content machine. It's to create something that speaks directly to the struggles of a very specific group. So ask yourself, who's already trying to post content but secretly hates it? Think about life coaches who are great at talking but freeze in front of a blank content calendar. Real estate agents who know they should be posting listings and tips but never do. Fitness coaches who are amazing at workouts but not so great at captions. Pick one group. That's your niche. The tighter, the better. For this walkthrough, let's go with life coaches. They've got the pressure to be visible, to show up, to be consistent, but most of them are juggling client calls, group programs, mindset work, and maybe even a family. Social media feels like a chore. That's where your AI content system becomes the magic wand. It's not just a time saver. It solves a real pain, staying visible without burnout. Step 2. Build the core system. Now let's build the engine that makes this work. Your AI-powered content machine. Start with ChatGPT or Claude. These tools are your content brain. You'll prompt them to generate 7 post ideas tailored to your niche. For example, give me 7 inspirational content ideas for a life coach helping women over 40 build confidence and self-worth. The key here is context. Make your prompts specific. Mention audience, tone, platform, and goal. The more specific, the more valuable. Next, take those ideas and run them through a second prompt to turn each one into a short caption. Something that feels personal, scroll-stopping, and engaging. No fluff, just real, usable posts. Now you've got 7 polished captions. From there, connect your AI output to a make.com automation that does one of 2 things. 1. Pushes the captions to a Google Sheet or Notion board for easy review and edits. 2. Sends the captions straight into a social media scheduler like Publer, Buffer, or Metricool. And if you want to get fancy, you can add in AI-generated images using tools like Leonardo or Midjourney. Just describe the post idea and generate a visual that matches. So in one workflow, you're going from zero to ideas to captions to scheduled posts. It's plug and play. Your buyer doesn't need to write anything. That's the magic. Step 3, package it like a product. This is where you make the shift from cool automation to sellable product. You're not selling tech. You're selling an outcome. Content done in minutes. No more blank screens. Stay consistent without stress. So here's the key. Don't just deliver a bunch of files. Wrap the whole thing like a real product. Give it a name that makes people want it the moment they see it. Something like 7-Day Content Machine for Coaches, or maybe the Confidence Coach Content Kit, or even Done For You Social Media Engine. The goal is to make it feel like a plug-and-play solution. not just a set of prompts or a techie workflow. Add a simple setup guide showing how to connect their free chat GPT account, how to input their niche, and how the automation flows. Record a short Loom or screen share walkthrough. This builds trust and makes onboarding smooth. And finally, host it on a platform that delivers instantly. Gumroad, Payhip, or Systeme.io are perfect. Instant access equals instant satisfaction. At this point, your system isn't a tool, it's a product with perceived value. Step 4. Price it for value. Here's where you separate yourself from low-ticket creators. This is not a $5 PDF. This is a business asset. Your buyer isn't paying for a few prompts. They're buying consistency, visibility, and peace of mind. Think about it. If this system helps someone show up online every week, stay top of mind, and attract one new client, that could mean hundreds or thousands in return. So price it accordingly. A basic version with prompts and manual scheduling, $29. A premium version with full Make.com automations, scheduler integration, and AI image workflows, $49 to $99. And if you want to increase the value and your profit, you can easily offer a few smart add-ons. For example, a monthly pack of fresh prompts for just $9, so your customers always have new content ideas coming in. Or maybe a niche-specific upgrade, like a version tailored for fitness coaches, real estate agents, or Etsy sellers. And here's a clever one. Offer a quick upsell like, want me to install the automation for you? And charge a one-time setup fee, say $39. Simple extras like these can turn a $29 product into a 100+ sale without extra work. Suddenly, you've got a value ladder, and more importantly, recurring revenue. Step 5. Get traffic. Here's the good news. You don't need a big audience. In fact, faceless TikTok and Reels accounts are killing it right now with short-form content that shows tools in action. Just hit record and say something like, "This tool gives me a week of content ideas in 30 seconds. Here's how I post without writing a single word. Built this for a coaching client? Now I sell the system instead." You're not pitching. You're showing the result. That builds trust way faster. You can also drop value comments on Facebook groups, Reddit threads, or LinkedIn posts. "Hey, I built a little automation that helps coaches plan a week of content in 5 minutes. Let me know if you want to check it out. No spam, no cold DMS. Just curiosity and proof. Once you get 5 or 10 people to check it out, some will buy. Others will give you feedback. That's gold." Step 6. Improve and repeat. Now that you've got your first version out there, it's time to optimize. What did people struggle with? What feature did they love? What niche asked for a custom version? Take what you learned from early buyers, their feedback, their questions, their needs, and use it to improve your system. That's how you build niche editions that feel custom-made. You might create a version called Content Machine for Fitness Coaches, or one tailored for Etsy sellers, or even a special edition for wedding photographers. The structure stays the same, but the messaging, prompts, and visuals speak directly to each audience. That's how you scale smart, without reinventing the wheel every time. You don't need to rebuild the whole thing, just tweak the prompts and visuals. The automation stays the same. Want to go next level? Offer a monthly subscription with updated prompts, templates, and seasonal content ideas. Coaches love fresh content. This is how you go from one simple product to a scalable product line. You're not trading time for money, you're building leverage. That's the real shift. From freelancer mindset to digital product entrepreneur, you create once, it sells over and over, and when you stack multiple systems like this, that's when things really get fun. All right. If you want a full blueprint showing the tools, templates, and step-by-step workflow to build and sell automations like this, I've put together a guide just for you. It's in the pinned comment below. And hey, if this video gave you any ideas, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new strategy. Which niche do you think this content machine would work best for? Drop it in the comments. I'll feature the best ones in a future video. Thanks for watching till the end. Now go build something awesome and let's profit smarter. See you in the next one.